MileIQ is a mileage tracking app designed to make logging your drive simple and automatic. Once installed, it runs quietly in the background, detecting trips using GPS without needing to start or stop tracking manually. The app's core feature is its swipe interface. After each trip, all you need to do is you swipe right to mark it as a business or left to mark it as personal. Over time, MileIQ learns your habits and can automatically classify frequent routes, which cuts down your manual work. You also get detailed mileage reports that are formatted for tax deductions or reimbursements, making it especially useful for freelancers, small business owners, and anyone who drives regularly for work. The reports can be exported as spreadsheets or PDFs, ready to share with your accountant or to upload to accountant software. MileIQ is subscription-based, which we can check out here over if we press pricing. It also offers cloud sync, so your data is backed up and accessible across multiple devices. On the downside, the app is GPS dependent, so it can drain battery if you drive a lot. And it's not designed for advanced expense tracking. This is strictly a mileage tool. Overall, MileIQ is clean, reliable, and it's a great solution if you want to automate mileage tracking and save time during tax season. It's not flashy, it's accurate, efficient, and does exactly what it promises. Do you want me to compare it with its biggest competitor, Freelance, to see which one's better for frequent drivers? Let me know in the comments below.